Hi everyone, James here from Freedom Pass, and welcome to this short 5-video series about how to do keyword research using Helium 10. So without further ado, let's dive on in. Now, if you're someone who wants to understand how keywords really work and the power that they have to give your product visibility so that you can generate sales consistently on Amazon, then this is the video series for you. So now I'm going to dive into my laptop and go into a lot more depth on the subject of keyword research, and I'm going to be using Helium 10, which is one of the most powerful softwares that we highly recommend that you use for your Amazon business. So let's dive in. So first, I'm going to navigate to members.helium10.com, and this will bring me to my Helium 10 dashboard. Now, don't worry if you have not yet signed up for Helium 10, as I do have a special surprise for all of you viewers out there at the end of this video, so be sure to stick around for that. Now, once you are logged in to your Helium 10 account, we're going to navigate to Tools, and then I'm going to use the tool called Cerebro. And I'm also going to open another tab, navigate to members.helium10.com again, and now I'm going to be opening the magnet tool, as these are the two primary tools if you want to know how to properly conduct keyword research. So now we go to Tools again, and now we open Magnet. Now let me explain these two tools. Cerebro allows you to get a product ASIN, which is the barcode that Amazon assigns to every product on the Amazon marketplace, and then it allows you to put this into Cerebro and extract all the keyword information from your competition, so you know exactly what keywords are working for them and where their sales are coming from and what keywords are not working for them. So let me demonstrate this now. So I'm going to open another tab now, and I'm going to go to Amazon.com, as I will demonstrate in this process on the American marketplace. Now, if you do want to sell in other countries, be sure to go to the relevant country that you want to sell in. For example, if you were in the UK, it would be amazon.co.uk. But for this example, it's America. Okay, so now we're at the Amazon homepage, and just for example purposes, I'm just going to find a generic product that I can demonstrate keyword research on for you. So to begin with, I will click this button at the top left where it says All, and now I'm going to click on Best Sellers. And now, just again, for example purposes, I will just go to the first product that shows up here. And now, if you have the Helium 10 Chrome extension already installed, the ASIN for this product will appear at the top here. And we do highly recommend that you install this Helium 10 Chrome extension, as this will give you a lot of data on your competition that most people cannot access. But don't worry if you don't have the Helium 10 Chrome extension, as if you just click the video that popped up on my screen right now, we have an in-depth tutorial demonstrating everything you need to know about this extension and how powerful it is for your business. But if you don't have the Helium 10 Chrome extension just yet, don't worry, as I will show you how you can find this product ASIN without it. So now I'm going to scroll down, keep scrolling, go past the product description, and now you will see product details appear here. And now if you look here, you can see ASIN, and then there is this code, and this is what we need for our Cerebro tool. So now I will right click on this and press copy, which you can also just press Command C on a MacBook or Control C if you're on Windows. Then we navigate to Cerebro, and now we paste this into Cerebro, and now I will click on Get Keywords. And now this takes a minute, but then this is now extracting all of the information that we need to know from our competition. Okay, now to begin with, on word count I will put 2, as this means there will be 2 or more words within each keyword phrase. And this is a good rule of thumb, as if there's only one word, generally speaking, this could be too broad and it's not accurate enough to be a valid keyword. Next, in search volume, I will put 600, as this means at least 600 people every single month are searching for each of these keyword results. which is a good place to start. And now on organic rank, I will put 1 to 16, as this means that for each of these keyword phrases, this competition's listing is appearing on page 1, and that there is a common phrase in the Amazon industry. If you're on page 2, you're in the Amazon graveyard, and this is not where you want to be. And here at Freedom Pass, we're all about showing you how you can get your product to stay on page 1 permanently. So we will only be looking at the page 1 results. Now I'll scroll down and click apply filters. Okay, and as you can see here, this has generated us 17,691 keyword results with a total search volume of 1.9 million every single month. So this shows you the vast scale of how many people are actually searching for keywords on Amazon. And if you can just tap into even a small fraction of this market, you're going to be making some money. So now we'll scroll down, has yielded us 559 keywords over 600, which is pretty good. So what I'm going to do now is press search volume, and now this will organise these search results in traffic order from highest to lowest. And this is how you always want to be conducting your keyword research, because it is important to find the keywords that have the most search volume, as this is where the demand lies. Now obviously you wouldn't probably want to sell Crocs. This is just example purposes to demonstrate to you the mindset that you want to be getting into when conducting keyword research for your own products. And okay, let me take you a bit further on that note. See here we have Crocs Women's and then Crocs Men's. So straight away, Crocs Women's has 349,000 people searching for it every single month, and Crocs Men's has 293,000 people searching for it every single month. So a good mindset to get into when looking at these keywords and conducting your keyword research is using this information to not only think about the whole market, which would be Crocs, but then you can do the keyword research to find the sub-niches within that market that then you can start to narrow down, and then actually use this to find more accurate product ideas that you could be selling. Because straight away you now know that there is a divide between Crocs for women and Crocs for men, which you would not have known if you didn't start to begin this keyword research. So again, for hypothetical purposes, you now know if you target women over men, you're getting an extra 60,000 people every single month that will be looking for women over men. So all you want to do now is just keep navigating through these keywords with this mindset in your brain and start dissecting these markets and seeing how you can differentiate from your competition by niching down to the specific keyword phrases that people are searching for. But as promised, there is a special surprise just for you right now. Here at Freedom Pass, we highly recommend use of the software called Helium 10, which is obviously what I'm demonstrating to you right now. So I'm sure you can see how crucial it is to have this software if you want to become a successful Amazon seller. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, here at Freedom Pass, we offer you an exclusive discount to help you get started on your Amazon journey. If you use the code FreedomPass20 at checkout, you can save 20% off Helium 10 for the first 6 months. Or if you use Freedom Pass 10 at checkout, you get 10% off for life. So allow us to help you get started on your Amazon journey for a fraction of the cost that normally you would have to pay. This will allow you to unleash the power of the Helium 10 software and have insights into your competitors and insights into the Amazon market that nobody else can see. So be sure to check that out. Thank you for sticking with me to the end of this episode, and I'll see you in the next one.